It is obviously correct that those who eat other people's chicken egg does not feel comfortable allowing others to touch their lizard eggs. Hypocrites of the highest order. I've said it time without numbers that thunder does not kill human being. What I mean is that there's no spiritual attached to the thunder killing. God does not use thunder to kill people, and nobody has the power to send anybody thunder. If thunder kill you, it's because you are on the direction. That is why it kill you. Just as you standing on the path of train, it will crush you. It's not because the thunder has spiritual power and a person send up. The same way thunder go kill, and the same way rain fit carry person, flood or earthquake. It has no spiritual backing. But with this definition, I'm still gonna be telling you, may thunder fire you. You that come on my comment section to tell me if they say they are not Igbo, leave them alone. But when Igbo say they are not Nigeria, you don't want to leave them alone. Thunder will fire you. I've told you people, I'm nobody's role model. If you come to insult me, no be small thunder go strike you. Even some of you that come and tell me, say, I like what you are doing of Igbo unity. Concentrate on it. Focus on that one. Leave our pastor. No be small thunder will fire you. It will cripple your leg so that you will live to see how we cripple your pastors who are fake and taking the money of the poor and be claiming they are men of God. Who is a man of devil? I've told you people, 10 years down the line, I'm going to be here. When I go buy my products tire, the truth will surely set us free. I cannot allow any of you to live in lies. They are telling me you don't have right to call them Igbo. No, I know sir, I not get right. That's why I'm using left to call them Igbo. I say Ikweres are Igbo, Ndani are Igbo. He says if they say they are not Igbo, leave them alone. But when the Igbo say they are not Nigeria, you don't want to leave them alone. Not be hypocrite you be. You don't know that I came to set you free. Just like Jesus. Only 3 years it take him. I'm giving you for 10 years. Now go tire. You better save yourself from BP and accept your Igbo-ness. Accept it now. Put your hand in the chest and say, from today, I accept to be an Igbo man. Forever. Just the way Christians will accept salvation. You are angry with me because I'm telling you the truth. I know now. I've seen where person they slap nose for treating him. That is what you people are doing. People tell you the truth, you insult them and be threatening them. But me, I have given myself up for this cause. So far, I did not break the law of Nigeria. You are wasting your time. Yes, because I know many of you are wishing. I wish police will arrest him. I wish government will do this thing. I'm not breaking any law. I'm just stating the fact. Every video I've made has a proof and evidence of what I'm saying. That you are Igbo. Complete one. If you like, hit your head on the wall, hug transformer. I'm the one telling you that you are Igbo. Or you say that they are trying to drag you to take oil well from Niger Delta. 50 years after the Civil War, you have been claiming you are not Igbo. Did you own any oil well in the Niger Delta? Since Igbo not drag the land in rivers or the land in Delta State, which is my place, did any of us progress? Ask yourself question. It is only a fool that keep doing the same thing. 50 years after, no result, he still keep doing it. Are you not a fool? How do they want to tell you the truth again? You want me to be painting it so that it will suit you? Mba no semba. Even your go gibiko, esemba. Now it's time to tell you the truth the way you want it. Pure raw truth. Can't you reason? If we are one, the same majority carries the vote. Don't you know that when we become one, as they say in Igwebike, united we stand. We cannot demand for good governance. Make Wike come out for president to make I see who go vote for him. It's not because Wike is an Igbo person. Tambua himself step down for Atiku to win. But if all of us embrace ourselves, it's easier to demand a good government, both from local and federal level. They tell you a simple truth. They hear the knackhead like a gamma lizard. Abraham Onyibo, onye beke Igbo, na asukwu Igbo, na asim ni bro onye Igbo, ni bu onye Bini ambassador. No, if I go claim about Bini, you return back to Benin and to claim the land. I'm out of here, Joe.